Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we are going to unbox the one-touch analog video door phone kit. If you're looking to enhance the security of your home or office, this might be just what you need. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss an update from us. The one-touch video door phone kit includes the user manual, outdoor unit, angular bracket for the outdoor unit, accessories for mounting and for connection, and the indoor main monitor. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please refer to the user manual or reach out to Formigo technical support.